Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove bookmarks from your iPhone home screen. So for instance, I made this page my bookmark. Add to home screen. Add. And I just want to remove that from my home screen. So you're just going to select this for a few seconds. Then you're going to want to select delete bookmark and select delete. And it is as simple as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it on the tutorial on how you can delete bookmarks from your iPhone home screen. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.